Hi, in front of me is Realme 5i, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by accessing Play Store. Now tap on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Then you need to download this free app from this developer and click on Open. Now choose Allow and tap Home button. After that, you need to go into Settings, scroll down, choose App Management over here and go into Default App. After that, click on Home Screen and tap on iOS Launcher. Then choose Change Home Screen and click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Android. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!